So I wanted to show you this. This was posted by a member in the community, right? And a lot of people got in on this move. And just let me show you how they found it, right? I've done this a few times already, but the software here, Impulse, right, just makes it a lot easier to locate the pairs you need to be trading, right? Out of all the like 30 or so pairs, which one do you trade, right? And what he did was he clicked down through these, and you can see they're moving because the strength is being calculated in real time. So he got down to this one, the pound Swiss, and saw that it's trending all in the same direction in all time frames. It's trending down, right? You can see if you move in, a little blurry there, but the arrows are moving down, right? So now he knows he's got a pair with great strength, like anything over 30 is moving, right? So you know the pair is moving, you know that it's trending in all time frames, and you know which direction. So now he pulls it up. What he did is wait for the pullback, right? Because we know the direction, we just want to jump in for the ride. So it pulls back, and he got on this move. And there's a lot of ways you can do it. You can draw a trend line here and get in on a trend line break. You can use these arrows, see a blue, 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 and then boom, you get a red arrow, you get in. Lots of different ways, guys. But the point is he found this within minutes, right? And was able to get on this move along with a lot of other people. So if you want the details on this, 7-day money back guarantee, you got to try it.